going on, everybody? As you can see, it is freezing cold here in northern Missouri. Goose season has ended officially now. This hunt you were gonna watch now is from last weekend. The boys found geese on a spot we've never seen them before. It's an old cutoff to a river, and the water's not very deep, and it's actually spring fed. So it was the only open water besides the river, and there was 500 or 600 geese in there every day. We've never had the opportunity to shoot geese in the timber like that, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned for Monday's video because we're going to be going through the best moments of the 2020-2021 season, and we're going to be showing our goose and duck highlights. This is the first time we'd ever had this many geese in this area. We got lucky this year and everything north of us kind of froze up, and we were the last real open water for a while, so it really stacked up with geese this year, as you can see. Made for some great hunting, and it definitely spread the geese out and put them in some areas we weren't used to, which made the season a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoy this hunt.
Going out to get some food. Gonna grab us some freaking stomach destroyer. Let's go.
You can't lift this up. You have to lift these up.
You can lift up this.
Oh, that one's in. That one's in. Strap set too good. You need to be careful. I was like, this isn't focused at all. This is going to be so exciting.
Uh-oh. He got a little too greedy.
Hey, whoa, don't put that away.
Each years.
No, I don't think so. He said there's 6 in there, so I'm hoping. Done? Is there a box? Besides the river, I think this is the most, or the only open water.
I'm sure it is.
Okay guys, we're out here, the weather's like 18 degrees, it's pretty freaking cold. This is a natural spring that we're working with here. It's had a couple hundred geese on it every day. Been kind of skeptical on when and how they're coming. We were supposed to have a 10 mile an hour wind to start off the morning, but right now it's about 2. We're hoping it's gonna pick up for us. We got a duck blind built on the side of the slough, and the geese have been walking right up to it. It's the last day for Missouri goose season. We hope it works out today. It should be pretty greasy down in here. It's something not very many people get to do as far as shooting honkers.
Lay off the kibble. Got you here. I started to walk out.
Give it to him.
I thought we needed to come around that corner to do it. Right here.
They were eating it.
Ready? One more.
Finally getting out here, decided he wanted to get out of the car and quit sleeping.
Yeah, well, I was supposed to be sitting in the car.
We just had our first pack of geese get in. We had singles and pairs all morning, just scratching away, one here, one there. Then finally we got a 6-pack in. The birds still have not flown out to go feed, and that's what we've been banking on.
Heck! Over! Here!
Those lived here.
You think?
Those are... I'm glad they said something. Wasn't a breeze this morning with these late season honkers.
No, but we say we got her done.
It wasn't real pretty.
We shot him up pretty good.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's a lot more content to come with snow goose season starting. If you guys do enjoy the channel, please subscribe, please share the videos. It really helps me out. As always, have a good day.